This property line was added to the drone footage in about 3 minutes. No expensive software used, only free tools. Watch. And so how do we do it? We use Pixely free tool. We go to pixely.app website. On pixely.app, we go to free tools and we select the drone video property line tool. This tool is very simple, very intuitive. You choose a video you want to edit. In our case, I choose the example video that you saw. And then you create the property line by simply dragging and dropping these corner points. If you need to add a point, just click the line, add a point. If you need to change shape of the line to curved line, like right here, you just click the line, select the curved line, and you edit the shape. So this is how we do it. It's very simple. I will continue drawing this borderline so that I'm happy with the result, and then we continue with the animation. All right, I am happy with the shape of the property line, and now we want to change the color, maybe the style of the line a bit. So we go to the Style tab. Let's make the line white. Let's add a little bit of width. And let's add a fill color. Let's choose this gray. So I like the property line color. I like the fill of the property. Let's now go to the animation. By clicking play, we can see how the line will reveal in the video. I think I like it. So let's add a label to the property line. Let's add a text to the property line. Let's move it down here. Let's take a look at the settings. I like it. Let's play the animation. Okay, I think it's good. Now the last and the most important thing. If we play the video now, you can see that the property line is drifting away. So how do we attach the property line to the property itself? Let's go back to keyframes. Let's make sure we selected this first keyframe in which we drew this property line, and let's click track from this keyframe. Now the video is being optimized, will be sent to our model, which will track the property and will give us back the keyframes so that we can see them here in the property line tool. So we have the result back. Let's see how it looks like. Click play. I think I like it. It's good. One thing we may want to adjust is this. Let's go to animation and we can make the line disappear. Let's click disappear later. We can keep the default values and click play. Okay, go to the beginning, click play. The border's there, disappeared. I think it's good. I like it. And the last step, what we want to do is simply to export the result, which will export any video you uploaded with the overlay of this animated borderline. Export, select the end time. I think 7 seconds is fine. And export. All right, so this is it. As you can see, it's super simple. Upload your video, define keyframes, and generate the result. All this is available for free on pixely.app. You can find the links below in the description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and see you at the next one.